But that does look nice, doesn't it?
Mm.
Yeah, does look. Okay, got a pile of chicken in here, about a kilo. I put in 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of white ground pepper, and I've got 120 ml of water. So salt's already in there. Here goes the garlic powder. There's that 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. And here is the 120 ml of water. Does anybody fancy a cinnamon challenge? I don't feel like sticking my hand into the corpse of a dead chicken, so let's just do it like this. This is the marinade. It'll get soaked up. Give it some time. Okay. You want to keep ants and flies out of this, okay? Stick it in the fridge. Okay, so right now, gotta make the batter. So you're gonna need a couple of eggs. Actually, I doubled up everything here. So what you see on the screen is for a standard portion. Right? It's really kind of confusing, isn't it? But as you can see, sorry, as you can see, the ingredients are on the screen, and those quantities match up perfectly with the quantities you're gonna see in the description, which is the thing just underneath the video. Click the little down arrow to see it, okay? Oh, let me see. Yeah, bit of water. Then mix it. Sorry about the noise level here. And then you have to spin it up a little bit, stop it, and then throw in the flour. It's gonna stick to the sides, so get yourself a spatula and knock it down a little bit. Run it up again, and at this point you throw in your oil. Spin it up, and then your baking powder. So this is where your bubbles are going to come from, okay? I think that covers it for this section. Okay, so what you do is, you got like 58 degrees, and then you just start dribbling that in. You watching? 88. Yeah, it's off. Oh yeah, I think I know what the problem is. Okay, so.
Oh, they get so pretty. Oh, they get so pretty. Oh, fit right into the whole, how do you call it?
Okay, there. So.
New Orleans scene. Love me fried stuff.
But that does look nice, doesn't it?
Mm.
Yeah, does look nice.